Welcome to the channel. Today's video is another Swedish book I got. And I got this book from my wife. Here it is, Hydroponic Cultivation, a garden without soil. So before we get into this video, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here we have the book, Hydroponic Cultivation, another Swedish book about gardening, but the difference is this is a hydroponic system, not soil. And the best thing with a hydroponic system is you can make it as small as you want to, or as large as you want to. It depends on how much space you have. And if you live in an apartment, a hydroponic system is awesome, great. And you will always have fresh veggies and herbs. So, I appreciate this book a lot, because I got this from my wife. And this book contains probably tips and tricks on how to begin growing and use a hydroponic system. So it mentions about nutritions, and it has even tips on how to do with your tomato plants. Yeah, you can even grow strawberries with a hydroponic system, which is awesome. You can grow probably most everything. And you can grow beans, and there are different types. Here we have another system for a hydroponic system. So it's easy and it's adaptable system, which is really good. And you can grow all year round with this system. So that's why I like it. And you always have fresh veggies. You don't need to worry about the seasons or anything like that. So you always will have fresh veggies. Probably you will have more than you need, but you have family and friends. So that's it for this video. And oh, I forgot one thing. I haven't read this book yet either, but I will do that and go through this book a little bit more further than I have. But the book is really beautiful, don't you think? And another thing, there are books on English about hydroponic cultivation. So get one. A book like this in the prepper, for a prepper, it's awesome to have. Tips and tricks. You can have really good use of a book like this. So that's it for today, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I go live and upload new videos. And thank you for watching and your support. I appreciate that. Take care, stay safe, God bless. Shadow Scout Swede out.